Alright, so this is a intro into my Pac-Man game. A few pointers before I start. One of the things I focused on the most was getting the ghost logic to be as true to the original game as possible. So all the ghosts move the way they do in the original game. All of the details in that can be seen in the code and in the notes above the code for each ghost and their class. A few features I added. The O board for Ouija. That'll allow the user to add extra ghosts to make the game a little harder. I would not hold that down. It'll just spawn a bunch of ghosts in the same place and kind of defeat the purpose. And then G, a little nod to the 80s, I added a Ghostbuster mode, giving the user the chance to basically vacuum up ghosts if you're stuck in a corner, giving the user 3 of these a game. So it's fun to use, but that way it doesn't get abused. I started using it all the time when I first put it in. Other than that, the gameplay is pretty true to the original. The sounds are almost all the same. There's a bonus life for 10,000. A cherry shows up when you get 70 dots, and all of the ghosts, the rules for the ghosts, how long they stay in the ghost box, and how long they are edible for when you eat an Energizer, are true to the original. So I'm gonna go and get started here, and I'll show it working. Let me fire this guy up. All right. Now hopefully you can hear me over this. The little gray things at the bottom represent how many proton packs the user has left. We'll display the ghost eating capabilities. I'm going to use the Ouija, or the Ghostbusters mode, which plays a little familiar music. And that ghost got close to me, but the way the ghosts eat you, the ghost has to be in the same square as you for it to count. So let's let that happen. And you can see we remove one life from the bottom. Poor Pac-Man. And that's pretty much it. As you get into further levels, the ghosts come out sooner, and they stay edible for a lot less time, and the game gets significantly harder, especially once you run out of these guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and that's it for me. Thank you.